Hi, Niall from LiveCosts here. Today, we're going to take a look at using AI to process invoices in LiveCosts. So let me just jump straight into this and into our product. So generally what we do in here, we would issue out orders for our goods. So let's say materials in this case. I've created a purchase order, which I have sent to my project, and that's creating a committed cost on that job. Okay, so I'm ready to receive the invoice in now. So we have a dedicated inbox here, which is going to receive in invoices. They can be sent in through email, they can be dragged into the software. I'm just going to drag one in from here. I can drag in as many as I like. Software will read the invoices for us. So this is where we got a little bit of automation going on. It takes only a few seconds to do that. Okay, so this one is now reading and extracting all of the information from that software. We're using AI to do that, so I'm just going to view this document. The accuracy is really unbelievable. We have found a supplier. We found that this is an invoice. It could be a credit note or quotation. In this case, we've matched it to a purchase order and found a purchase order which will assign it to the right job and assign it to the right even budget within that job. Date, yes, we've extracted that. We've extracted the invoice number. We extract the three totals from the bottom of the invoice, any tax roundings looked after, and very, very importantly, we extract all of the invoice line items, which is pretty cool. Okay, so we just really look at the results here to make sure that we are happy with what was extracted. Once we're done, we can create the invoice with all of the line items, or just create the invoice with one line item, whatever we choose is best. I'm going to create it with all of the line items. Okay, that brings us into the workflow. So one is we're checking against that purchase order. We've reconciled it. So this is going to show me that we raised an order for this value and we have an invoice for this value. Moving on down the line, we have a delivery against that. So showing me the quantity that was ordered, what was delivered, and then on what date. And this will bring me to the actual delivery note then itself. We're checking all of the items on the invoice for catalog. So here we're looking up this particular item against what we have in our database in the software. So we have a catalog here where these items are stored. We're checking all of these prices here. This one is going to be the same price in blue. Red are indicating price increases. So we can kind of check these as we go along, ensuring our own data is up to date. Very easy to do that. We can just update the catalog price as we go, and that kind of keeps our database up to date at this point. Last step, if you're connected to an accounting software, you can just post this directly over to Xero, QuickBooks or Sage. Touch of a button, all of the information will go across and the attachment itself. So if you feel that this particular process will help your accounts payable, please feel free to reach out, book a demo on our website, and feel free to contact us.